I'd like to welcome each and every one of you here. This is a very wonderful opportunity. We get to see how people express themselves through balak. It's a very wonderful expression as a Cebuano. So without any further ado, we will proceed with the speech contest proper.
Anything can happen now. Anything can happen. Anything is possible. Anything can happen. I feel alive, side. I feel alive. I feel alive.
Nasairan ko ang pag-asinso sa mga tao o sa mga establishmento. Toko dire, tuko dito, mga hotel na ni Usbo. O nakaplagan ko ang Golden Prince Hotel na talagsaon ra ang serbisyo.
A new dawn, a new day. Anything can be found. Reach out all the way. I can feel it.
Team og Biko, himo og turon para sa Kabilin, pero nalipay raman pod ko kay sa Golden Prince ako super blessed kayo.
Brightest sky.
Sa akong dakong inspirasyon para mapakita kaninyo kining maong tradisyon. Bunga, bunga. Ikahinam-hinaman sa nag-amuma. Labi yun. Ang bunga sa gugma. Mas ni pagulabi ang pagdagayday sa luha sa kalipay. Mas ipatigbabaw ang gugmang sinig-anay. Dako kayo among pasalamat ngadto kaniya tungod sa iyang gisalig kanamo ang pag-amuma ng inyong maundak ng grasya.
I feel alive, feel alive, feel alive.
Sa ako nagkita pag-entrance pa lang ako, murag ako nagsunod sa iyo sa. Pero pag pakpak nila, nanaog ko. So salamat.
Feel alive. For the very
Yeah, let's give it up for our Instagrammable shot winner.
Anything can happen now. Anything can happen. Oh, oh, oh.
Our 2019 speech contest winner. None other than
Contestant number 8.
Okay, Sumato. Congratulations.
Anything can happen. I feel alive, side. I feel alive. I feel alive, feel alive, feel alive. For the very first time. I feel alive, feel alive, feel alive. For the very first time.
It's a nice thing nga kanang nahitabo nga karong gabi una. So akong ikuan lang, this is a tribute to the one katong sa gamay pa karon dako na pero cute ko lang gihapon siyang initiator. So let's give a big applause to this guy and who is also celebrating his birthday tomorrow. So timing ra gyud kayo. I was trying to tell mga all these things, he was the initiator. Kanang nagtabang ni gunahuna sa mga tao na to dire. Kani at least nakakita ta mga talent pero nang gawas, di ba? So it's just the start of the speech contest tonight. Pero pinaka-champion ako kani bata akong pinaka-champion ni karon. Ako sa ni siya i-reward. Anyway, you just open it up, see for yourself. Atong champion. Happy birthday, man.
Anything can happen now. Anything can happen. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh.
I'm very thankful. I'm very thankful to my family. Let's give them a round of applause. To my ama, BYQ, TBQ, of course, akong angkong, and the rest of the family members that are abroad. Let's give all of them a round of applause. Just to see all the departments here present, from front office to admin, housekeeping, culinary, F&B. So thank you. I am lost for words. Daghang salamat.
Feel alive.